Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the world of metal detectors, but not just any detectors. We're talking about 5 of the most talked about models in 2025: the Minelab X-Terra Pro, Fisher F75, Garrett AT Pro, Nokta Simplex Ultra, and the powerhouse Minelab Equinox 900. Whether you're just starting your treasure hunting journey or you're a seasoned pro, this comparison might just help you pick your next go-to detector. Let's get into it. Minelab X-Terra Pro. Budget-friendly, feature-packed. This one's for the hobbyist who wants performance without breaking the bank. The X-Terra Pro gives off a premium vibe, even though it's in the budget segment. With 3 switchable frequencies, 5, 10, 15 kilohertz. It's flexible enough for coins and relics. It's lightweight, waterproof up to 5 meters, and the telescopic shaft makes it a breeze to carry. Pros: user-friendly, rechargeable battery, solid beach mode. Cons: no multi-frequency, no wireless Audi. My take: for beginners, it's like the iPhone SE of detectors, simple, reliable, and surprisingly capable for its price. Fisher F75, old school power, still relevant. This detector is a legend. Even though it's been around for a while, the Fisher F75 still packs a punch. At 13 kilohertz, it's super sensitive to small objects. It's got a detailed LCD, manual and automatic ground balance, and killer recovery speed. But it's definitely a more technical device. Pros: precise discrimination, deep detection, great battery life, 30 hours. Cons: not waterproof, a bit intimidating for newbies. My take: think of it like a stick-shift car. If you know how to use it, it's a beast. If not, you might stall. Garrett AT Pro, the all-terrain warrior. This detector screams adventure. It's rugged, fully waterproof up to 3 meters, and runs at 15 kilohertz. Perfect for finding both tiny and big targets. The Pro mode gives audio feedback that's more nuanced than most detectors. Great for riversides, fields, or just your local park. Pros: submersible, Pro audio mode, tough build. Cons: no backlit screen, proprietary headphone jack, only 1 frequency. My take: this is the Swiss Army knife of metal detectors. If you're outdoorsy and unpredictable, the AT Pro is your best friend. Nokta Simplex Ultra, Turkish tech. That impresses coming from Nokta, this updated Simplex model is shockingly good. Lightweight, waterproof to 5 meters, and packed with features usually reserved for higher-end models, like backlit screens, vibration alerts, and wireless headphone support. Pros: affordable, great for land and water, very modern interface. Cons: single frequency, 15 kilohertz, wireless headphones not included. My take: it's like the Tesla Model 3 of detectors. Sleek, clever, and delivers more than you'd expect. Minelab Equinox 900, the king of versatility. And now for the big boss. Multi-IQ simultaneous multi-frequency, customizable modes, carbon fiber shaft, full waterproofing, LED flashlight, vibration, wireless headphones. Do I need to go on? This thing does it all. From gold fields to salty beach waves, the Equinox 900 is the elite choice. Pros: everything. Depth, accuracy, stability, features. Cons: pricey, not for beginners. My take: it's like jumping from a basic DSLR to a full-frame mirrorless beast. If you're serious about detecting, this is your final form. Final thoughts. So which one's for you? Budget-friendly beginner? Go with the X-Terra Pro. Experienced and want analog depth? Try the Fisher F75. Want to take it underwater and everywhere else? Garrett AT Pro has your back. Value-packed, modern, and light? Simplex Ultra is your buddy. Want the best of the best? Just say Equinox 900 and drop the mic. Let me know in the comments what your dream detector is. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more gear comparisons.